Ready to try for social media on 2025? Success isn't about chasing trends. It's about building genuine connections that matters. Let's dive into this. Top 10 social media trends for 2025. I want you to watch till the end of this video. I have an exciting bonus at the end of the top 10. Number 1, short form contents. Short form contents is a powerhouse. But you know what? The magic lies in knowing your audience and choosing the right format at the right time. Every platform has its audience sweet spot. So it's all about being strategic with how you deliver your message. Number 2, quality over quantity. Gone are the days that followers are counted as a king. Meaning to say, the algorithm will gonna see you as a dominant force the moment that you have a lot of followers. Social media platforms have evolved. Shout out to TikTok for shaking things up. Algorithms now prioritize the quality of the content over the size of your audience, leveling the playing fields for small creators and small brands. According to Metricool, Instagram's latest updates have boosted visibility for small content creators. On YouTube, videos from newer or smaller channels are getting more tractions. The shift is huge because the sheer volume of contents out there keeps on growing and growing. So if you want to stand out, you need more than just pretty visuals. You need a high quality storytelling that resonates to your audience or to your target audience. Because you know what, at the end of the day, it's not about creating content that matters most. It's about the right content that keeps people coming back for more. Number 3, balancing efficiency with authentic interactions. The future of social media lies in finding the perfect balance between leveraging AI for efficiency and fostering authentic interactions. Users are increasingly seeking for genuine connections and personalized added value, making it very crucial for brands to prioritize both. Number 4, building and cultivating communities. Community building will take center stage in 2025. Effective communication within the community must be actively nurtured, as authentic are now the foundation of the successful brand strategies. Emphasis not anymore from B2C, B2B, but now it's B2H, or what we call business to human communications. Brands that actively engage with their audience will outperform competitors. Lastly, cultivating a loyal community foster a long-term success. 5th, the rise of events and events. In-person and virtual events are gaining prominence as a powerful tools for establishing direct connections with audience. Brands that focus hosting and engaging events will create meaningful interactions and enhance brand loyalty. Number 6, prioritizing authenticity. Authenticity will be non-negotiable this 2025. Flawless contents or over-polished contents will no longer resonate to the audience. Genuine and unfiltered insights will have the greatest impact for 2025. BTS or behind-the-scene contents, showcasing process rather than just a finished products, will create real value and foster stronger connections. And lastly, humor and relatable storytelling. Authentic storytelling will rise to prominence. Number 7, social SEO. You know what SEO means? Search engine optimization. Social media is the new search engine frontier. This 2025, most of the millennials, Gen Z, and Gen Alpha will gonna take over. They actually use mostly social media as their search engine rather than using Google as the first option. Unlike before, platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok are now preferred over the traditional search engines like Google for trending, solutions, education, and lastly, product recommendations. Before, when I was a kid, we always think the moment that we use search engine, what comes first into our mind is Google. Ask Google, ask Google. That's the thing that we're doing. But nowadays, social media is the first go-to platforms instead of Google. Brands must align their contents with users' search intent. Optimizing contents with strategic keywords and hashtags are still essential this 2025. Lastly, well-optimized contents ensures sustainability and longevity. Number 8, the evolution of social commerce. The shift from traditional TV streaming platforms in social media presents new opportunities for brands, content creators, and affiliates. Platforms from TikTok shops are streamlining the shopping experience, particularly from the younger audience. Interactive and buyer-friendly content will drive long-term benefits. And lastly, social media is now the epicenter of the attention shift, requiring brands to adapt their strategies accordingly. And lastly, number 10, data protection security. Privacy and security will be main top priority for 2025. Social media platforms such as Instagram have already introduced structured guidelines to protect user data and ensure child safety are expected to emerge, shaping the digital landscape. And here's the deal, guys. Because you've made it this far, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna give you the bonus. This is the 11, the top 11, the last one. Embracing innovations, the power of experimentations. The ability to adapt for new tools and features will be very, very critical for the success of your social media this 2025. Again, that's critical part of doing social media marketing. Social media platforms have continually introduced new innovations, such as innovative tools and trends, creating endless opportunities for experimentations. Here's the kicker. Successful content creators, brands, will adopt a flexible approach, experimenting early and finding what resonates to their niche, staying informed in the market trends, and leveraging new features will ensure relevance and differentiation, continuing reinventing your strategy and the key to stand out in social media this 2025. What do you think about these trends? Which one will you gonna implement and integrate to your social media marketing? And what trend do you think will define your 2025? Comment down below. Because at the end, always remember this, that knowledge is what you acquire, but wisdom is how you apply. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next round.